Guys, I don't know why my computer is slow, but my name is Dr. Jeremiah, and today I want to introduce you to Tiba. It's the number one medical credit card. I think the issue that I have faced as a physician working in the field, because I specialize in emergency medicine, has been just so many people not having access to healthcare. We've seen so many people outside in New York, so many people who are sick. And the issue is pretty much one, from my own experience, it's a medical billing problem. Medical bills are just done manually. Today, there has to be someone who has to sit down, go through codes, understand if you have cancer, cancer is this code. If you got cancer and you got X-ray, it's this code and this code. If you got cancer and X-ray and MRI, and you got something else, sort of like it's very complicated. And so that always leads to medical errors. The second thing is as a patient, you usually sort of like have to cover the cost, regardless of the error being your fault or not, right? So in that case, I thought of building a AI medical billing assistant that pretty much takes the job and makes it easy to be able to handle all the medical billings, and for you as a patient to have visibility of where your money is going every time you keep on paying for insurance. Because as maybe if I could ask, how many people know where the money goes when they pay for insurance? Not many people know, right? And it really sucks. So I'm going to show you how it works, pretty much. So the idea was just Dr. Little is the medical coding assistant, because I was working with kids so many times. Okay, so we have three different test cases that I'm going to show you: an insurer, a healthcare provider, and you as a patient. So on the healthcare provider platform, I'm going to show you a quick demo of how the coding assistant works. So in this case, I will upload, let's say, a report, a medical report of a patient and pretty much his case. So the AI agents goes through all the text within the medical code, and it extracts the text that are used for actually doing the billing. So in this case, it could be, oh, he has a partial tear of the ACL, he has a complicated patella issues. So it just highlights for whoever is doing the medical billing to make the work easier, and then it shows you the codes itself. So you could see, like, to be able to have to pay for this particular patient, it will be this particular code or that particular code. I'll use just another example quickly, just for you guys to see as well. If another patient comes in, the AI agents just scraps through the text, the images, to be able to come up with the codes. And you can be able to see, like, these are the procedures that this person went through from this particular case, and this is codes. So to be able to come and create the claim, you just click, and it sort of like makes a quick PDF report with pricing based on APIs that we are picking for almost 7,000 insurance companies. So we can be able to say, like, Cigna charges this particular amount for someone who has an ACL tear. Any other provider charges this amount based on just who exactly is your billing provider. And if I just show you how it looks like. So you could see that. So if you are the patient, you have visibility of, this is the amount that was billed, this is what they're billing you, and this is what you actually owe. So just having full visibility of what that looks like. So this is what we as the providers, as the clinics, do able to see, and we use this to send to the insurance company. You as a patient, for the first time, have full visibility of where your money is going. So we actually show you, the AI agent actually goes back end and shows you, this is the insurance provider, this is how much you cover, this is what your copay is, this is what the deductibles is, and it keeps on changing based on sort of like your premium subscriptions that you have. In the case that you have a recent submission, like the one that I've shown you from the PDF, once the submission is done, it goes to the insurance provider, and they have a draft of everything that has been sent. They approve it, and when it's approved, it just comes straight to your wallet for the patient. And you have a choice of paying it, or you have a choice of however your plan is on your side. So the main goal is you as a patient, one, you have a wallet, full visibility of what where your money is going every single time. Two, using Circle, it just makes the process much more faster. So with Circle on the back end is once someone clicks pay on their side, the approval just goes straight. Oh, sorry. Payment is done, it's very clear, very quick, and you can actually see the changes in your wallet. The same thing happens on the other hand with the insurance and with the provider. The, one more minute, cool. So with this last minute, I'm just going to show you how the voice agent works because it's been built to be able to also capture voice. You can imagine if this tool is being used in China, it might need to speak Chinese, right? Okay, so I hope it works. I hope it works.
Hi, I'm Selma. I'll be your assistant today. Can I know your full name?
Hi, my name is Emily. I use that.
Hi, Emily. How can I assist you today?
Hi, do you mind telling me do you mind, I'd like to book an appointment.
Of course, Emily. I'd be happy to help you book an appointment. Can I get your insurance number to check your coverage and help with the booking?
Oh yeah, it's 901234.
Thank you, Emily. I have your insurance number as 901234. Is that correct? What type of appointment are you looking to book? For example, a therapy session with a psychiatrist, a primary care visit, or a specialist consultation?
Could we book a specialist consultation?
Got it, Emily. You'd like to book a specialist consultation. Let me first confirm your insurance details and check your coverage for this type of visit. I have your insurance number as 901234. Is that correct? And do you have a specific specialty in mind, or should I help you find the right specialist based on your needs? Also, do you have a preferred day
Sorry,
or time?
it'll just go on. But to be, because it just tries to be as very detailed as possible to give you the best preference on what you're looking for. One thing that I've noted is to be able to have the AI agent handle the payments on the back end, it's much more of a very complicated process because one, we are trying to figure out if we are using Arc, will Arc be able to handle that whole payment? If someone else is paying through Stripe and everything, how else would that infrastructure look like? So it's sort of like building a middle layer that can be able to sort of like handle all these complex scenarios. But in this case, I think it's an awesome project, and shout out to Circle because they're giving us this opportunity. Thank you.